Secondary and Primary School. Welcome to our television. To my project on there are community helpers. There are community helpers are doctor, teacher, police, postman, tailor and watchman and farmer. Doctor is to cure disease. Teacher is to by the way of learning. Watchman is to the protector. Tailor is to the stitch dress. Farmer is to cultivate rice. Thank you.